Tired of juggling endless customer inquiries on WhatsApp? Let's ditch the chaos and build your first automated conversation flow in Aisensy. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Flow section. On the left-hand menu, this is where the magic happens. Click the Create Flow button, give your flow a descriptive name, like Order Updates or Welcome New Customers. This will help you organize your flows later on. You'll now see the visual flow builder. Every flow starts with a trigger node, which tells Aisensy when to activate the flow. Click the trigger node to configure it. You can choose different types of triggers, such as a specific keyword typed by the user, or a welcome message sent to new subscribers. Let's select a keyword trigger, and set that keyword to order status. Now, let's add a message node to respond to the user. Drag and drop a message node from the left-hand panel onto the canvas and connect it to the trigger node. Click the message node to customize its content type in the message you want to send to the user when they trigger the flow. For example, thanks for reaching out about your order. What is your order number? You can even add dynamic variables, like the user's name, to personalize the interaction. To gather the order number, add a get user input node. This will prompt the customer to enter their order number. Want to branch your flow based on the order number entered? Add a condition node to check if the input is valid. For example, you could check if the order number matches a specific format or exists in your database. Based on the condition, you can then route the user to different message nodes. One path could show the order status, and another path could ask for the order number again because it was not found. Once you're happy with your flow, click the Save button. Your automated conversation flow is now live and ready to engage with your customers. Now you can handle customer queries without lifting a finger. Hashtag Aisensy Flow, hashtag CHATBOT tutorial.